Good morning, children. I hope you all are good and safe. Before we start our lesson, we will sing a poem. 5 little babies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more babies jumping on the bed." Children, our today's lesson is letter F. And before we start our today's lesson, we will revise our previous lesson. This letter is letter A. And the sound of A is F. And this letter is letter B. And the sound of B is B. This letter is letter C. And the sound of C is K. This letter is letter D. And the sound of D is D. This letter is letter E. And the sound of E is F. Okay, children, we will sing a song of alphabet F. This letter is F. And F and the sound of F is F. F is for fish, for fish. F is for flower, for flower. F is for fan, for fan. F is for fruit, for fruit. F is for fork, for fork. F is for frog, for frog. F is for 5. There is 5 babies and we learned poem 5 little babies. F is for 5, for 5. F is for fireman, for fireman. Okay, again repeat it. This letter is F and the sound of F is for flower, for fish, for fan, for fruit. For fireman, for five, for frog, for fork. Okay, children, we have activity number 1. Color the picture of fridge and frog and learn it. Book page number 27. Okay, open your book, page number 27. Children, here we have a picture of fridge and frog. It's your activity number 1. Color in it. And our activity number 2 is color the picture of orange. Open your workbook, page number 13. I hope you enjoy your today's lesson. See you tomorrow with your new lesson. Stay safe, stay home.